Alright, we're going to have Ben running away from women here. 107.3 HFM.
The song made famous by Slim Dusty. It's a Catamala fella.
Oh yeah, and also just before we start, we got to give a shout out to one of our good friends, Mr. John Batista, who he actually wrote an extra verse for the end of this song. So we're gonna tack it on the end. A bit of local knowledge.
It's for you, Johnny.
It's for you, John.
You can do that, man. Now I'm a scrapper, runner, and a breaker too. I live on damper and wallaby.